Oh, very expert this one. I can tell by the audience. Hey, why not dancing? We didn't dancing. You should, Indian should be the best in dancing. Dance. Oh, this is a singer. This is a singer. How to Indian dance? I like it. Ini tipu-tipu tak ada menarinya kan? I give you a solo.
Yun guys, at yeah,
You sing a lot before?
yeah. Let's see. Retreat tayo ni Dr. Irani sa network. So, dito tayo ngayon sa sing along. Yun din.
This one you never experienced one. Most of them are practicing because they are bizarre. Who?
VIP. Yun.
Say hi! Chug-chug na ba tayo? Say hi!
Hi!
Hi sa hi!
We are here now at karaoke. VIP.
VIP karaoke! Pastor ka yun!
Ayun lang. Di isa ko pastor ka ron. Hi, network! Thank you so much!
Nabuhi tanan ko.
Say hi!